careers, as there is very small percentage of small businesses incorporated by private individuals, and there is an urgent need to establish entrepreneurship in various colleges and universities also. So why people choose entrepreneurship? For many reasons. First, that is dissatisfaction from traditional work. That second is job security. Then freedom at the workplace. Now, why people want to become entrepreneurs? Here are the four reasons why people want to become entrepreneurs. That is desire to be one's own boss. Second, desire to succeed financially. Third, desire for job security. And fourth, desire for improved quality of life. So, why entrepreneurship? Coming into deeper meaning, we have self-management is the motivation that drives many entrepreneurs, and that is the freedom at the workplace, and you are your own boss. Second, financial success. Entrepreneurs enjoy wealth and riches of all life, and there is a finite, or we can say the infinite job security at his own work, and also the quality of life is very high. Now, talking about the environment required for a person to become a successful and reputed entrepreneur is first, globalization, second, education, third, demographic and economic trends, and fourth, information technology. Now, going into the deeper meaning of these, we have first, globalization. The rapid globalization of IT industries and various businesses have created new opportunities for entrepreneurs to establish their new projects, innovative ideas, and explore their ideas into success. Now, moving ahead, we have education and IT, demographic and economic trends. First, about education, there are various universities and colleges across the globe which are offering entrepreneurship programs and degrees. And there are various universities which are helping students to launch businesses, and many programs to teach entrepreneurs to young people is already on the horizon. Next, we have also information technology gives us many entrepreneurs or young people to establish their new businesses in this sector. And finally, we have the demographic and economic trends are also on the boom. So, going ahead, what are the main characteristics to become a successful and reputed entrepreneur are first, vision, second, high energy level, third, need to achieve, and fourth, self-confidence and optimism, fifth, tolerance for failure, sixth, creativity, seventh, tolerance for ambiguity, and eighth, internal locus of control. And in my opinion, I think if you have the logic, you can go from A to B. But if you have the imagination, you can go anywhere. And that's what differentiates between a job seeker and a job maker. That is the entrepreneur.